Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Cool Kid Bob High once again.
Hi.
And we just figured out something while we were playing hide and seek in this game.
Yep.
Hayden was hiding and I completely walked past him and I went up somewhere, and now we just found this creepy game that you get teleported
The normal
to.
game of hide and seek, and Trini, she found this really OP secret. So I will show you it.
Follow our directions, climb up the boxes and onto the lamp. Then carry on to the roof. Turn right and walk all the way across here. Don't forget to jump. And then there's a plank, which is...
There's a plank. And then this little bit.
Make sure you do not fall at this bit.
Across the tunnel.
Do not fall at that bit.
And then you can see the plank like just in the corner.
You see this? I thought he was hidden in here, so I clicked it.
Yep.
And we managed to get in. So then I went out to show him where it was, and then I started clicking on this. So if you just keep clicking, it teleports you to it. And honestly, it's so scary, and I don't know what to do.
No, we're not in the same game.
It's alright, just open up the door now.
I'm running along the doorway.
Okay. The door just closed behind us.
Wait, what?
I'm scared.
I'm terrified.
I feel like there's gonna be the man up here.
I don't.
Wait, is this just a long hallway?
I think.
I've just been walking for ages.
Yeah, I can see it's just a long hallway.
I don't get it.
What?
I don't get it.
I
Oh my god!
What?
The lights just broke.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to carry on.
I'm terrified. I got too scared, so I left.
Okay, yeah, okay. There's that.
There's a secret.
When I know.
Probably no one knows about.
When I grow big, eventually I will carry on.
Yeah, we just got a bit scared because the lights turned off once we passed them, and the door closed behind us.
If only you heard the noise that made. Wait, so Hayden, did you keep stopping in the hallway because I seemed to get further than you did?
No, because like every time I passed the light, my game froze, then let us move again. It like made us freeze on the doorway, then it made us see red eyes, and then make us keep going again. Like I actually saw red eyes. I've got stalkers following me. Show me. Come.
Okay, so I'm showing some people the cool thing, and I'm gonna see how they get along with it. Before they go in, I'm gonna say it's quite scary.
No, don't.
No, I want to, because obviously... Oh, they'll just come back up.
I can't see.
Come back.
Wait. Before we proceed, I warn you. I want to warn you. Okay. When you go into the game, it's scary. Yes, okay. Alrighty. My face. I'm not ready, lol. Let's move. Happened. Here you go. Right after then. Right, I'm in the place, Trini. Do not click them.
There she goes. I wonder if she comes back screaming at us.
Yeah, she might be like, you idiot, that's terrifying.
Oh, come. I'm showing this girl
someone
we've got
else.
some new people in the party.
Click the cake.
Where's she?
She's too scared to come.
I don't think she wants to come. Oh, it's not open.
Click this. Yes. Wait, that's in the house. What? This is in the house.
Yeah, I know. We're inside a house.
And be ready for scary stuff. Teresa.
She got scared.
You got scared.
Oops. Oh, I want to wait until that girl comes back screaming at us that we brought her to that game. When the lights broke, I was like, oh my god, and I just turned around.
No, the lights broke on me, I turned around and then I saw red eyes and coming closer, so I just legged it.
Who isn't scared of stuff?
Follow me.
Oh.
Someone's figured it out. He's saying follow me. Can I make that stuff? This guy's trash. Oh, he made it. Yeah, we already know about it. Something. Zach, come. Come. Right, I've got someone coming. I've got 2 people coming. Watch out because of the plank here.
Here they come. Adventurers.
Can you do not warn them?
I'll just say good luck. You'll need it.
Click. Good luck, cause you don't need it. That guy's scared. The badge isn't that scary. Click. The scared to the left. You got too scared. The scaredy cats.
No, they got teleported to the game.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Well, one
Okay,
of them
sorry
ran.
guys, we kind of went out of frame. So, that was a creepy thing. Should we carry on, Hayden?
If this video gets
10 likes.
if this video gets
When I hit
20 likes,
yeah, 20 likes,
then
we'll go.
we'll carry on.
But 20 likes, gotta make it happen. Share this to your
If
friends.
we don't get 20 likes, we won't carry on.
Share this to your friends so that we get scared. 'Cause I definitely
Hey,
did not like
Tini,
it.
where are you?
I might go back in.
No, Trini, you've got to follow the rule. 20 likes and we'll do it.
Okay, fine. So guys, make
Go
it
to
happen.
the VIP area, I'll meet you there.
Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go ahead.
Tini, where are you?
We're gonna go ahead and do the secret ending for fun and just do some stuff.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Good luck when you get to the place, and just, I don't know, get this video 20 likes, because you probably want to see me scared.
Carry on, 20 likes and we'll carry on.
Right, that's it for now guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. One of the other videos will be posted over here on the screen, and my channel will be posted over here on the screen. Once again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. If you've done that,
if you want us to add your Poshi username down in the comment section below.
and you, yes you, could be involved in our next video.
Yep.
So, make sure to subscribe. Say hashtag post notification squad in the channel, in the comments, sorry. If you turned on post notifications, and yeah, like the video so it gets 20 likes. And if you send me a friend request, as you can see, Circle Trinity, I might just accept you, but I will be accepting every 5 days. So, and then you need to message me an available time you can make it. My Discord is going to be right here. There's my Discord right there. So, add me on Discord and we can discuss about times you can play this game. And yes, it will be this game unless you're too scared.
Yep.
If you're too scared, we'll find a different game, but it has to be at least a scary game. Definitely not murder mystery though.
No, that's not scary.
So, once again, thanks for watching. Please be sure to say bye-bye to Mr. Watermelon. And say hi to my boyfriend. Right here.
Hashtag Eric Trini's boyfriend in the comments.
Yeah, hashtag Eric Trini's boyfriend in the comments. Do this.
Because if you don't, you might not get added.
Put that. If you do that, you have most of a chance of getting added and being in my next video.
Yeah, because if you don't do it, we might not add you.
So, thank you again for watching. Say bye to Watermelon. Say bye to my boyfriend. And be sure to do all the steps that we told you. And you might just get to be in one of our videos.
Yep.
Thank you for watching our epic video. Not really epic. And thanks for watching us get scared.
Yep.
So, that was that. Once again, 20 likes and we'll go further. We'll try and go as far as we can to get the badge. So, see you guys when I have 20 likes. I will be posting otherwise, even if I don't have 20 likes. So, be sure to comment what
But if I don't get 20 likes, we're not going back there.
Be sure to comment like what videos I should do because I'm kind of running out of ideas.
Yep,
also, when I get the chance to, I will buy Attic soon or something else. And
I'll buy Attic.
So we'll go through that as well and show you how to do that. Hope our videos really help you on this game and recommend other games for us to play. Make sure they're scary because we like to be scared.
Yep. And
also,
if you're doing random server, you might just get in with
we
one of
will
us.
be introducing a new game called Dead Silence soon. But that is soon after we finish those episodes. I might be on with Chloe on that game. But Hayden, why don't you do it for the views? For the viewers.
Fine.
So,
But only because of the views.
After these videos on Alone in the Dark House, we're going to start on Dead Silence.
20 likes, we'll do that. And if it gets over 20 likes, I'll play Dead Silence.
Remember, say all these things in the comments.
You might not get added.
Post notification squad.
Yep.
Eric Trini's boyfriend.
Hashtag Eric Trini's boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm putting them all in chat so they know what I put. And then also put your user.
Yep.
Put your user like that. Hashtag your user. And then add my Discord. And also put a hashtag courage for Hayden on Dead Silence.
If I get over 20 likes, I'll play Dead Silence with Trini.
30 likes is for Dead Silence.
Yep.
20 likes is for that, whatever it's called.
Yep.
I hope you investigate that game more, and thank you for watching. Once again, do those and basically add me on Discord. And yeah, see you guys soon. Also, be sure to put your username, your Discord user and tag down there in the comments because I don't usually friend people who I don't really know. So,
and if I don't know your username, well, you'll
thanks for watching. Bye.